Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block the internet for a specific app on your mobile. This is useful if you want to save data, stop ads, or prevent background usage. So, let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management depending on your phone. From the list of installed apps, select the app you want to block from using the internet. Find Data Usage Settings. Inside the app settings, look for Data Usage or Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Here you'll see options to allow or block internet access. Turn off mobile data and also disable Wi-Fi for this app. Now the app won't be able to connect to the internet, while other apps will still work normally. This way you can block all unnecessary apps that are not used. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.